Hey Heat Printers, I'm Mia and welcome back to the Transfer Express channel. Winter sports is one of the busiest seasons for apparel decorators. You've got basketball, hockey, wrestling, cheer, and even some off-season training sports for spring. That means tons of custom gear, warm-ups, hoodies, spirit tees, and even fan merch. The best part is these aren't just one-time orders. Teams will reorder for tournaments, new players, and last-minute events. So if you plan ahead and create versatile winter product options, you can keep the orders rolling in. Winter sports gear needs to be practical and comfortable. You're working with heavier fabrics, moisture-wicking materials, and layering. Here are a few go-to items to keep in your lineup. First up is hoodies. These are a team's must-have for not just the players, but the fans as well. Long sleeve tees are great for layering and tournament wear. Crew necks and sweatpants are perfect for travel and warm-ups. Performance pullovers are ideal for coaches and training gear. Duffel bags and beanies are profitable accessories that complete the look. And of course, jerseys. They're lightweight, breathable, and essential for team uniforms. When it comes to winter sports, the transfer type you choose makes all the difference. Let's go through the best options for each product type, and I'll show you how they perform in real time. First up is silicone transfers. These are perfect for gear and accessories that need durability, flexibility, and a high-end finish. It's stretchable, tough, and built to last through travel, friction, and heavy use, which makes it ideal for sportswear. Next up is ElastiPrints. These transfers are designed specifically for stretchy performance fabrics like polyester and spandex, so it's perfect for basketball uniforms, training gear, or warm-ups. For coaches, staff, or premium spirit wear, we love to use Goofproof Premium. It has a soft hand feel and polished retail finish, so this makes it perfect for any coaches wear, polos, quarter zips, or anything where you want to look a bit more professional. And finally, our newest option, Goofproof Watermark. This special effect ink creates a subtle shine and gloss in certain parts of your design while leaving the rest of it matte. It's perfect for logos, mascots, or patterns when you want something eye-catching but still want to be professional. When designing for winter sports, focus on bold and legible designs that look good even from the bleachers. In our free online EasyView Designer, you'll find templates for all sports, basketball, hockey, cheer, and more. You can customize team colors, add multiple logos and numbers onto one sheet so that you can save money. This is how you're going to turn your prints into profits this season. First up is team packages. You'll want to offer bundled sets like hoodies, tees, and shorts. Creating an online store helps with making your ordering process easy and efficient. Next up is spirit wear pop-ups. You can set up tables at games or school events to make your products more visible. And always try to upsell. You can offer accessories like duffels, beanies, or socks to increase your average order value. When you deliver fast, high-quality prints, you become the go-to decorator for your community, and that loyalty pays off year-round. For silicone, we're going to use this Cleveland Tigers logo and put it on our coach's bag here. I've slipped a mouse pad just on the inside of the bag here so that we can have an elevated press area and we don't get the zipper under the heat press, and then I threaded the bag onto the platen. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and pre-press for about 3 to 4 seconds. Now we're just gonna lay our silicone transfer out right in the middle on top of that mouse pad. And now we press. For silicone transfers, we're gonna press at 290 for 15 seconds with a low to medium pressure. We're gonna go ahead and let this cool because silicone is a cold peel. So you wanna make sure that your transfer cools completely before removing the carrier. The colder, the better. Our coach's bag has cooled completely, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove our carrier. Clean and easy, and now the coach has a cool branded bag ready for the games. For ElastiPrints, we're gonna go ahead and use our green basketball shorts, and we're gonna have 2 different designs, one for each leg. So we have the number 33 and the Cleveland Tigers logo. We're gonna press them one at a time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay out the pants leg here, the shorts leg, and pre-press for 3 seconds. Make sure that my waistband is not on my platen because I wanna have even pressure. Now we're just gonna lay out our transfer And we're gonna press at 290 with a medium to firm pressure for 15 seconds. Now, ElastiPrints is a cold peel, so we're not gonna remove this carrier yet. We're just gonna slide it right over and do the other leg. So we're gonna go ahead and pre-press this one. And same process, we're just gonna lay out the Cleveland Tigers logo and press at 290 for 15 seconds. Now that both legs are pressed, we're just gonna wait for them to cool before we remove our carrier. Now that our shorts have cooled completely, we're gonna go ahead and remove the carriers of our legs. And there you have it, custom basketball shorts so that your players are game day ready. Next up, we are going to be using Goof Proof Premium, and we're gonna place it on a black polo for a coach. Now we're gonna put coach on the back of this polo. Now we've loaded our shirt on backwards so we can print on the back. Just make sure that your collar and neck seam are not on the platen. My heat press is set to 320. We're gonna pre-press for 4 seconds. Now that we have removed the moisture and wrinkles, we're gonna add our coach design. Now this one, I'm gonna put about 4 fingers down from the collar. I don't want it too low, but not too high on the neck either. So temperature 320, we are pressing at a medium to firm pressure for 10 seconds. And Goof Proof Premium is a hot peel. So as soon as we pull it from under here, we're gonna go ahead and remove that carrier. First side done. Now for the front of the polo, we're gonna use, again, the Cleveland Tiger logo. But before we put this down, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a mouse pad. Our polo here does have some buttons on there, and I just wanna make sure that we aren't hitting those while we are under the heat press. So I just insert it right where I want my left chest design to be. We're gonna go ahead and pre-press. Now that our garment is pre-pressed, we're gonna go ahead and lay out our transfer. And same settings, 320 medium to firm pressure for 10 seconds and a hot peel. And now you can send your coaches off game ready. Lastly, we have our Goof Proof watermark, and we're gonna put this one on a basketball jersey. So we're gonna go ahead and pre-press. A lot of decorators get a bit nervous about working with polyester or sensitive fabrics, but you don't have to be afraid. Screen printed transfers like ElastiPrints or Goof Proof watermark make it easy for you to design on sensitive fabrics. Now for ElastiPrints, we have the same settings as Goof Proof Premium. So we're gonna press at 320 for 10 seconds with a medium to firm pressure, and it is a hot peel. Go ahead and remove that carrier. Sensitive fabrics are nothing to be afraid of. You can still make cool and wearable designs using screen printed transfers. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for winter printing success. Always pre-press every garment. Thicker fabrics can trap moisture, so you always want to pre-press for 3 to 5 seconds before applying your transfer. You'll want to avoid seams and pockets, so use things like mouse pads to get even pressure. Don't be afraid to play with textures. You can use different transfer finishes like matte, shine, or puff to create custom looks. That is your complete winter sports printing guide. With the right apparel, the right transfer, and the right plan, you can make this your most profitable season yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to join our family. Turn on that bell notification so that you never miss any heat printing tips from us. Until next time, happy heat printing!